Hello everyone. Today I'll be telling you how you can hire a programmer even if you don't have any technical background. It can be really a difficult task to hire a programmer, especially when you don't have any sort of technical background. So just let's imagine that you have found certain developers whose skill sets match with your requirement. Now, how will you assure that they're really good at their work? There is only one option. It is to interview them. However, holding interviews requires you to have some technical details. But you have another option in this case, which is outsourcing your work to another company. In outsourcing the companies, the teams of developers are already been established or assembled. So you don't have to waste your time and money in hiring a programmer for a particular field or having a particular skill set for that, which is a great advantage over in-house teams as well as freelancers. But still, if you are interested in holding an interview for hiring the programmers, there is one thing you definitely need to test apart from the soft skills, that is hard skills. Hard skills indicate the programmer's proficiency with the development tools as well as the programmer's tech savviness. The first thing that you need to do is involve an expert. That is why companies involve CTOs and highly experienced employees to help them evaluate the candidates. If you do not have a highly experienced employee with you, what you can do is you can always ask your tech savvy friend to help you do so. Another important thing is to inquire about the programmer's pet project, because there is nothing else which can test a programmer's dedication and passion for programming as their own pet project. Do not forget to ask them about their personal GitHub account and also download their files from the recently updated repository. And if you see a long history of commits, it means that the programmer is working continuously on their pet project, which exactly indicates that how committed they are towards their project. Obviously, there's much more to it. And to gain more information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.